spectacular wide lake view. Enjoy soaking in your saltwater pool or SPA, and watch the sun go down. Home features 4 beds and 3 baths, eat-in kitchen, breakfast bar, granite counters, tile backsplash, stainless appliances, crown molding, tile and hardwood throughout. Lovely wrought iron fence in backyard. Pool is a heated, with sun hedge, LED lights and spa with spillover waterfall. Fresh paint throughout, very well cared for, and centrally located in the Forum. Close to airport, all shopping, entertainment and I-75. Community is gated and property has an alarm system in place. Book your showing soon, because this one won't last long.